Hello everybody, look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. We are folding this pink craft paper here. Fold it from both sides. Now fold it into half. Make more such pieces and we are going to tie them at the center using a rubber band. You can also use a thread. After this we are going to spread it like we are doing here. Now open all the petals one after another like we are doing here. Leave one petal and open it alternately and look, your flower is ready. Now curl all the petals using a bamboo stick or toothpick. Now make it simple using green craft paper. Curl it as well. Now we are going to make cut on this green paper stick and combine all of them together. Make its leaves and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. We're going to make this colorful pen stand using craft paper. So let's get started. We're going to fold this craft paper from its sides and make a triangular shape. Flip it and again fold it into half and tug it inside. After this we are going to make 6 such colorful shapes using craft paper and paste all of them. We are also going to cut the base from other craft paper. Paste it using glue and look, your colorful pen stand is ready. Here we are going to make this finger origami butterfly craft. So take a printed craft paper, fold it from its sides. Now fold it half and then start folding it from its corners. Make a triangular shape and do this from other side as well. Now pull it downwards and make the wings of the butterfly. Open it, you'll get a floral pattern like this. Make a cut and look, we're going to fold it from this side. Again we're going to tug it inside and give shapes to its wings. Now make mini folds from the upper side of the wings. Look how we are doing here. Tug it inside and repeat the same process from other side. We are going to flip the butterfly and then tug it inside and give it more shape. And look, we are going to fold it from the center and look, your butterfly is ready. We're going to make this heart-shaped bookmark. So take a square craft paper, fold it from the top, flip it and again fold it. Now make many folds from the bottom, then pull it downwards and then we're going to tug it inside. Flip it and look, your heart is ready. Look at these cute mini outfits. Let's make it. So take a square paper, make mini folds, flip it and again fold it. Now we're going to fold it and give it shape like we're doing here. We are making the top portion. So flip it and pull it downwards, fold it into half and tug it inside. Flip it and look, your dress is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.